Happy day one of learning at home. I hope you're enjoying your day, and I hope that the lessons are I want them to be challenging, but I want you to learn, but I still want them to be understandable. So I hope you're having a great day. We're moving on to math. So today's math is it's estimate and measure liquid volume. Okay, so our I can today, our target sentence statement for today is I can estimate and measure liquid volume in liters. Okay, so how many of you might have a 2-liter at home? So a 2-liter is those big giant like pops you might have, or I don't know if they make them in Capri Sun, but a lot of the pops that they would have that are the big ones that are called a 2-liter, okay? That obviously is equivalent or equal to 2 liters. If you look at this is a measuring cup. And if I put it closely, you'll see that it measures up to 4 cups. I need to add a little bit more to it. But if I turn it around to the other side, it is equal to 1 liter. So 1 liter is obviously half of 2 liters, correct? All right, so our lesson today is trying to figure out what is about 1 liter, less than 1 liter, or greater than 1 liter, okay? So what I have here is I have my 1 liter of water. I have my Friday coffee cup because I know you're missing me and my coffee. I have a water bottle, my ice. By the way, I do not like this apple flavor. I have Bubba's water bowl, okay? And if you can see like the difference in them, they're not. I have my biggest soup pot, okay? And then I have a plain vase. So if I put it between these two, oops, I put my hand in the water. Girl, what is you doing over here? All right, so do you see the difference here? And then finally, I don't have a fish bowl, but this is a huge vase that I guess could be used as a fish bowl, okay? So as you can see, it's pretty big. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna play around with this, okay? I want you to understand what is about a liter, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna fill is I am going to fill my vase, okay? Make a prediction. Now, if you're thinking about science, we call it a hypothesis, okay? So is this gonna fill it completely? Is it about a liter? Is it less than a liter, or is it greater than a liter? All right, did you make it? Let's do it. Uh-oh, we still have some left. So clearly, this is going to be less than a liter, okay? So our vase would be less than 1 liter. What would we do with our pot? Make a prediction. Is it less than a liter, greater than a liter, or about a liter? You better get this one right. And I'm gonna show you that it is, if I put my finger in here, oops, that's kind of hard to see. It's barely. So obviously this giant pot, you are going to need greater than a liter. All right, so I'm gonna set my vase off to the side. I'm gonna fill this back up. Why waste water? Right, okay. So this pot, my big soup pot, more than a liter, greater than a liter. My vase is going to be less than a liter. Make a prediction as to Bubba June's water bowl. He's sitting at the top of the stairs watching me. All right, it's completely filled. And we have this much left. You're right, it's less than a liter. All right, make a prediction about Friday, my coffee cup. You better get this one right. Let me see if I can do this. I didn't do it. Hang on, I got all my stuff wet. Hang on. All right, I'm back in action here. I'm gonna put it over this. Oops. We're gonna do it this way. This one might be smarter. Okay, I'm not done with it because remember this much is left. I'm gonna fill it completely up and we still have this much left. So my coffee cup is less than 1 liter, okay? All right, I need to add a little bit more water because I lost some of it on the counter. Okay, I'm back. Finally, two last things. We have my water bottle. What is it going to be? About 1 liter, less than 1 liter, greater than 1 liter. Here we go. I know I'm going slow. I'm trying to be careful. All right, we still have this much left. So it's less than 1 liter. And our last thing is our fish bowl. Make a prediction. Is it about 1 liter, less than 1 liter, or more than 1 liter? Make it, go. Ta-da! Way more than 1 liter, right? To fill that. All right, so in your lesson today, you are then, oh, before we move, let's do this. Let's figure out right now which of ours required the least amount of water. You're right, it's the dog bowl. Followed by the coffee cup. Followed by the water bottle. Followed by the vase. I think the fishbowl and the giant soup pot would be kind of tied. We have to figure that one out. Actually, I'll figure it out. We got some time. We got all day. All right, so this is one. Not used to this thing yet. This is 1 liter. 2 liters. So this would be equivalent to a giant thing of pop. Wow, this requires a lot of liquid. Looking at it, it doesn't look like it's 2 liters, but let me tell you, it sure is. All right, we're moving on to 3 liters. Go for 4 liters. Oh no, I think we need a 5th liter. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness, it looks like it is going to require 6 liters of water. That's equivalent to how many 2 liters? Can you figure it out? That's right, 3, because 2 times 3 is, you got that right, 6. Yay, 6 liters of water right here. Can you imagine if I just, it's like a fish out of water, that book we read. Toss a fish in there. All right, so let's see. I'm scared to do this. We're going to try to transfer, this isn't gonna work. Transfer it into here. Can I do it? I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a smaller one and get some of it out, and then I will tip it. So there's 6 liters here, and we're gonna see if our pot holds this an equal amount, less or more, but they clearly both hold over 1 liter. So your lesson today, when you get on Think Central, is you are simply going to identify, is it about 1 liter, less than 1 liter, or more than 1 liter, okay? You're gonna compare bottles that have liquid in them. In the lesson, obviously, you pretend they have liquid in them. They mark them off with color, and you are going to put them in order as well. So it's simply exactly what we just practiced here. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? These are exactly the same amount. They hold identical, so they would be tied. They just look completely different. Pretty amazing. All right, and get on Think Center right now. Do your absolute best. Think about it. Think about it before you just make a choice. And I'll see you soon on our next video. Have a wonderful day.